I've been exploring the Lowe's Buy Now, Pay Later for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations, so by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. Let's start with how Lowe's Buy Now and Pay Later works. Lowe's offers several flexible payment options for shoppers who want to spread out the cost of big-ticket home improvement projects or appliances. The main way to access Buy Now and Pay Later at Lowe's is through their Lowe's Pay program and store credit cards, like the MyLowe's Rewards credit card. Just select Buy Now, Pay Later with Lowe's Pay at checkout, and you'll see your monthly payment amount before you commit. With Lowe's Pay, you can finance purchases starting at $50 and pay it back over time in equal monthly installments. Terms range from 3 to 24 months, and APRs can start as low as 0% for shorter terms. Specifically, you get 0% APR for 3-month plans on purchases between $50 and $999.99. For longer terms, the APR can go up to 29.99%, depending on your credit and the selected plan. Now let's talk about the store credit card options. The MyLowe's Rewards credit card gives you access to special financing promotions, like 6 months with no interest on purchases of $299 or more, provided you pay off the full balance within the promotional period. If you don't pay it off in time, interest is charged retroactively from the purchase date, which can add up quickly. For larger purchases, you can opt for fixed monthly payments at reduced APRs, with terms of up to 84 months for certain install projects. This flexibility can make it easier to tackle bigger renovations without draining your savings all at once. Additionally, Lowe's also offers a lease-to-own program through Progressive Leasing. With this option, you make a small initial payment at checkout and then pay off the purchase, plus interest, over 12 months. Approval is easier, even if you have poor credit, but the total cost can be much higher than the original price, sometimes nearly double, so it's best used only if you don't qualify for other financing. Furthermore, it's important to note that unlike some BNPL apps that offer pay in 4 with no interest and no credit check, Lowe's options usually involve a credit check and may impact your credit score. Also, if you miss a payment or fail to pay off a promotional balance in time, you could face deferred interest or late fees, so always read the terms carefully and budget accordingly. To sum it up, Lowe's Buy Now and Pay Later options give you the flexibility to pay for home essentials over time, with a range of plans to fit different budgets and credit profiles. Just be sure to understand the terms, especially around interest and payment deadlines, so you can make the most of these offers without paying more than you planned. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.